Guys, got a civilian coming up. Rick, come in the socket. Hey, stop right there. What's that in your hand? Cigarettes? Cigarettes? Yeah. Okay.
Run with me. You ready? Run with me. I'm gonna go right there. Shit. Let's take it.
What's up, guys? Super Airsoft is at it again at DV8. But this time DV8 is hosting Operation Jade Helm 2, so we thought it was a good idea to check it out. We truly had a great time in this field, and we of course ran our cameras to share our experience with you all. Hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, here's my chance. One down.
Oh, come on, Brody. Oh yeah, bro? Tell me more. Tell me more, bro. Oh, you gotta call that one. Hey, wait, he's on my 12. Look, get that tree. Get that tree. I'll cover you. Tell me when. Right here. Go, 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 go. Go, go, wait, go, go, go.
Woo. Oh yeah? None, right? Oh, there you go. He's dead. He's down.
Finally, thank you. I set you up for success on that one.
Guys, got a civilian coming up. Rick, come in the socket. Hey, stop right there. What's that in your hand? Cigarettes? Cigarettes? Yeah. Okay.
They've got a major objective.
Got him. He's dead. Hit him in the head twice. He's down. Good shit, baby.